Assalamu alaikum. Today in the session, I would discuss a very important topic from our syllabi. The name of the topic is speech. Let us understand what is called speech literally. Literally, speech means spoken words with meaning. That means spoken meaningful words is called speech. Speech is of two kinds, direct and indirect speech. We can speak in kind of different sentences, in different kinds of sentences, in assertive, interrogative, exclamatory, so on and so forth. Today we will solve or we will do speech in case of assertive sentence. Let us understand what is called assertive sentence. Assertive sentence is a simple statement. It is an assertion only. There is no question mark. There is no exclamation. There is no order. That means in assertive sentence there is no question found. There is no imperativeness or order or any sort of request is found. For example, Mr. Shakir is a student of English literature. It is a simple statement. Another example, the sun rises in the east. There is no question, there is no order, there is no request, and that is why both the sentences can be called assertive sentence. For example, is Mr. Shakir a student of English literature? It is an interrogative sentence. For example, does the sun rise in the east? It is also an interrogative sentence. Let us solve some problems in case of assertive sentence. He says I am unwell. He says I am unwell. Here it is direct speech. Direct speech means the speech that is spoken directly by the speaker is called direct speech. But when a speech is spoken indirectly by another person, that means when the speech of the main speaker is spoken indirectly or the main speech of the main speaker is spoken by another speaker or by any third person is called indirect speech. He says I am unwell. He is directly speaking this part. This part name is reporting speech or reported speech. He is the reporter. It is spoken words by he. He says that. In case of assertive, if we remove double inverted comma in place of it, we should put that. He says that he is unwell. See, I becomes he, am become is. It is the different. Roma is saying I have a ring. Roma is saying I have a ring. Roma is saying that he has, actually it should be she. She is feminine, female. Roma is saying that she has a ring. I becomes he. This part is spoken directly by Roma, but this part is spoken indirectly by another speaker. Roma is saying that she has a ring. She will say, I am happy. She will say, I means she. She will say, I am happy. If it is spoken indirectly, it becomes, she will say that she is happy. Now, moving ahead, we will find some changes in case of tenses. He said, I am unwell. He said, I am unwell. He said that he was unwell. See, here I becomes he, am become was. But in the very first sentence, if we look at it, then we find I become he and am become is. But because of said, am becomes was and I becomes he. That means whenever this part or reporting verb in past indefinite Reporting speech gets one step upper change. That means if reporting speech is in present indefinite, in indirect speech report it would be in past indefinite. If it is past present continuous, it becomes past continuous. If it is present perfect, then it becomes past perfect. If it is past indefinite, it becomes past perfect. Remember this part. Roma said, I have a ring. Roma said, I have a ring. Roma said that she had a ring. Roma said that she had a ring. The teacher said, the sun rises in the east. The teacher said, this part is like that, but here reporting speech is written in universal truth. The sun reporting speech is talking about universal truth. The sun rises in the east. We cannot bring any sort of change here because it is universal. It is universal truth and it is the law of divine or Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The teacher said that, if you write, the teacher said that the sun rose in the east, then it looks quite awkward and it would be a blunder mistake. If you write like that, the sun rose in the east, it would mean that earlier the sun rose in the east. Nowadays it is not rising from the east part, it is rising from another direction. That is why it is universal truth. We cannot bring any sort of change here. In the next very sentence, it is written, he said, I work daily in the morning. It is not universal truth, but because of daily only, we cannot remove this timing word. He said, I work daily in the morning. He said that he works daily in the morning. If this timing word were not there, then we could bring a change. He said that he works daily in the morning. He said that he works daily in the morning. It is it is habitual action. For example, she will say, I am happy. If it was she said, I am happy, she said that she was happy. Here it is also, see, this part is present indefinite. I am unwell. I am unwell. She said that he was unwell. Here no timing word is given in this part. No timing word is given. Like here daily is given. Please student, make sense of it what I am speaking. Today here I conclude. In the next session we will discuss a bit elaborately about speech.